Good morning, students. Myself, Arvind Kumar Pandey. I am your SST teacher. I am going to teach chapter number 2. Dear students, subject geography, chapter number 2, globes and maps. You know very well that globes and maps. What is the role of globes? What is the role of maps? We will discuss in about that globes and maps. Firstly, we will discuss on globes. Yes, globes, and this is the line of longitude line. This is the line of longitude line. And these are the lines of latitude line. These are the lines of latitude line. Dear students, this is North Pole. This is North Pole and this is South Pole. South Pole. And here we will discuss in about that equator. Equator. Equator means you can say 0 degree. 0 degree. And here 90 degree and 90 degree. Yes, we will discuss in about that North Pole and South Pole. Dear students, a globe is a spheric model of the earth. A globe is the spherical model of the earth. We will discuss in about that. This line is coming North Pole to South Pole. This is known as longitude line. What will you say? These lines are known as longitude line, and those lines are coming east direction to west direction. This is known as latitude line. This is known as latitude line. So you can say latitude line, longitude line and latitude line. Dear students, we know very well that 71% water and 29% land. 29% land. These are the area of water. 71% water are converted on the earth's surface. These are the sources of water: the ocean, the rivers, the lakes, the seas, the Bay of Bengal, the Bay of Mannar and others. Here you can say that in solid ice cap, glacier are found in this. So 71 plus 29 equal 100. Yani you can say that 100%, in 100%, 71% water are stored on the land and 21% are on land. So dear students, in the help of this diagram, we have known where is North Pole, where is South Pole, where is equator, where is frigid zone. This is the area of frigid zone. This is the area of frigid zone, torrid zone, and others. The earth moves around the sun. The earth moves around the sun, and on the orbit it moves west direction to east direction. You can say it moves on orbit west direction to east direction. So you can say पृथ्वी पश्चिम से पूरब की तरफ घूमती है, यानी अर्थ जो है हमारी पश्चिम से पूरब दिशा की तरफ घूमती है। तो बच्चों, मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूँगा कि हमारी इस पूरे पृथ्वी पर, यानी हमारे पूरे अर्थ पे 71% वाटर है और 21% लैंड है, यानी 71 प्लस 29 इक्वल 100. Okay, I hope that you have understood very well. Yes, dear students, these numbers of longitude are 180 and these numbers of latitudes lines are 360. So if you are going here to there, yani one to another line, so that it has 100, these gaps have 180 kilometers. So dear students, North Pole and South Pole, the earth moves around the sun. When you have seen that the sun gives us heat and light. When the sun rays come on the half past of the earth, so this portion looks in a bright, you can say that half portion of the earth is in changes in day and other portion goes into the dark area, that it denotes, it changes in night, and whenever it will be turned so that days goes to night and night goes to day. So you can say this type it changes in day to night, and in the revolutionary process denotes to changing the season. I hope that in this chapter you have studied that what is globes. A globe is a spherical model of the earth, yani by the help of globe you can gain the knowledge in about earth. The earth is known as a blue planet. अर्थ को हम ब्लू प्लैनेट, नीला ग्रह के नाम से भी जानते हैं, क्योंकि जब हम इन द यूनिवर्स, जब हम ब्रह्मांड से, जब हम इन गैलेक्सी, जब हम गैलेक्सी से, जब हम अंतरिक्ष से, जब हम अपनी पृथ्वी को देखते हैं तो इसका रंग ब्लू रंग का दिखाई देता है, यानी लाइक दिस वी कैन से इट इज़ ए ब्लू प्लैनेट्स, यानी इसे हम नीला ग्रह के नाम से जानते हैं। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ग्लोब्स एंड मैप्स के बारे में हम अभी चर्चा आगे करेंगे, बट ग्लोब्स आप जहाँ तक आशा है आप समझ गए होंगे ये है आपका इक्वेटर 0 डिग्री, और 0 डिग्री 33, 60 डिग्री और 60 and half degree, and here 90 degree. Same process is going on here also in North Pole and South Pole. On the North Pole 6 months changes in night, and here 6 months changes in day, and then after 6 months here night and 6 months here days. Can you like this? 6 months days on North Pole, so that 6 months night on South Pole, and whenever 6 months days in South Pole, so that 6 months night in North Pole. So it is being. So dear students, you have tried to understand that globes is very important for us in the classroom. We have taken the help of globes, and suppose that if you have a globe at home, so that you can still in front of you, and then whenever you will rotate, so that the earth bend in 23 and half degree, so that you can say the earth moves, like an egg. Then like this, the earth is a planet. The earth is a planet, and you know very well that there are 8 planets of the solar system. Earth is a planet where life is possible, because here water, natural gas and natural resources are available. That's why we can say that the earth is very, very useful for us. Thank you. In next video we have to discuss in about that map. Thank you so much. Good morning students. How are you? I hope that all are well. Dear students, I am starting the next topic of maps. The topic of map. In previous classes I had described in about the globe. A globe is a spherical model of the earth. Can you like this? A globe denotes the what is the surface area of the earth, and globe denotes that's how many countries are converted in it, how many oceans are converted in it, how many lakes, how many inferior salt lake are there in all over the world. So dear students, I'm going to teach maps. You know very well that map is a word that derives from the mappa. Mappa is M-A-P-P-A. Mappa is a Latin word. Mappa is a Latin word. You know very well that map is very important to us. Whenever if you want to see the map, so that's firstly you have to gain the knowledge of directions. Name of direction: north. North is here, south, north, south, and here is east and west. Like this, if you have find out that where is north direction, so that you can find the whole direction, because you have find out where is north direction, so that's in below side is south, and here is east, and here is opposite side west. So north, south, east, west, these are the name of directions. So that's now I am coming on the topic of map. Map is a word that derives from the mappa words. Mappa word is a Latin word. By the help of map we can see the whole boundaries of countries, see the whole natural resources of every country. By the map of we can gain the knowledge what is the boundary of that countries and what is the actual condition of this country. By the help of map we can gain the knowledge. And now if you want to like this type, you have known in about that globes. Globes is a spherical model of the earth. Like this, if you want to know in about that the earth is a planet, so that same process you have to know by the favor of globes. So that same condition, if you want to know the maps, so by the help of atlas. By the help of atlas you can gain the knowledge in about that maps. And atlas is a word that derives from the Greek words, and it is a big soldiers of the any country, because if you want to gain the knowledge in about that countries, so by the help of atlas is a book where all physical, political map is located on it, and you can find out that what are they are located. So now I am coming on this map. We have gained the knowledge that's what is map, and now I am coming on the topic of types of map. There are three types of map. First is physical map. Physical map. In the physical map we are discussing in about that mountain, plateau, hilly areas, plains, the sources of water. In like this you can say oceans, rivers, sea, lake, sweet lake and salty lake. We have gained the knowledge by the help of physical map. And second is political map. If you want to know that the boundaries of every country, so that you have required a political map. I hope that if you want to know about that any boundaries of the country, so that you have to take the help of political map. Now third, thematic map. Thematic map like this, if you want to know about that climatical condition, weather, temperature, the study of all about this, so that you can say these are the maps of thematic map. These are known as thematic map. And like this you can say in the thematic map we study in about climatical condition, weather and forest and other. So that's dear students, map and types of map: physical map, political map and thematic map. These are very very important of it. That's if you want to know about that any countries, any thermatical map like this, any temperature, any weather, any climatical conditions, so that you have to knowledge in about that all maps, so that you can find very well that's what is the condition of physical map, political map and thematical map. So dear students, and you have to gain the knowledge of direction also, north direction, south direction, east direction and west direction. यानी like this बच्चों जब तक हम इन तीनों प्रकार के मैप के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त नहीं करेंगे, और ये सब बाय द वे आपसे कहा जाता है कि आपको फिजिकल मैप लेके आना है, तो फिजिकल मैप में आपको जल से संबंधित, आपको पहाड़ से संबंधित, आपको पर्वत से संबंधित, आपको जो है पहाड़ियों से संबंधित, आपको जो है नदी, झील, झरने वगैरह वगैरह के बारे में फिजिकल मैप में हम पढ़ते हैं। पॉलिटिकल मैप में जो नाना प्रकार की जो मेनी कंट्रीज़ हैं उसकी बाउंड्री के बारे में हम वी विल डिस्कस इन अबाउट दैट पॉलिटिकल मैप, एंड क्लाइमेटिकल कंडीशन, वेदर्स, टेम्परेचर, forest department, if you want to know, that's all are submitted in theoretical map. So that's these are very important for us, and by the help of atlas we can justify that what are the useful for it. Understand? Now I hope that you have to gain the knowledge about that physical map, political map, and thematic map. Okay, and in the north direction, suppose that you go to the forest and you have forgotten the way of forest. In like this, if you want to go outside from the forest, so that you have forgotten the way, so that whenever if you have find out where is north direction, so that you can find out the way from the forest and you can come very easily. But whenever you have not got the north direction, so that you can't come, never come from the forest, because you have not knowledge in about that direction. And if you have searched north direction, so that you can come from the forest in easily way. So dear students, north, south, east, west, and the sun rises in the east and set in the west. So that it is universal truth. The earth moves around the sun, the earth rotates on its orbit in 24 hours. So that's due to day and night. Okay, so dear students, globes and maps, we have gained the knowledge in about that globes and maps, and what are the useful for it. So that I have explained here. I hope that you have gained the knowledge in about it. Thank you so much. In next class we will discuss in about that next topic. Thank you so much.